Hello, in front of me I've got OPPO Reno 8T. In this video I'll show you how to add passes to Google Wallet. In the beginning, let's enter Wallet. And now select Add to Wallet. Focus on Transit Pass, Loyalty and Gift Card. First, let's enter Transit Pass. And if you are able to find your transit way, select it. Then you will be redirected to a website where you have to finish the inside form. Next, let's select Loyalty Card. Scan your card or enter member ID manually. Tap OK, add to wallet and it's done. In the end, let's select gift card and similar to loyalty card, select shop, enter card number, PIN, balance, your notes and tap add to wallet button. All of your cards will appear on the homepage of Google Wallet. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.